In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix origin DNS error on BBC website. If you are experiencing this error, most likely it is error code 1016. To fix this error, there are quite a number of steps that you can take to troubleshoot BBC website. However, to get started, you need to know that most likely this error is originating from the BBC DNS settings and it has nothing to do with you. For that, you'll need to try and come back later to see if the error has been fixed. So that applies to the owner of the website or the company to fix this, as most likely it has nothing to do with the viewers. However, if you have been told that the website is up and running but you still encounter the same challenges on your side, or the website still can't be reached, then you need to troubleshoot your browser to fix this and also check on some settings on your computer or laptop. First, you need to troubleshoot your browser. So I'm using Google Chrome, and to fix this, just go to these three lines here and go to settings. From settings, look for this option here under the sidebar called privacy and security. Under this, go to delete browsing data, and if you click on this, you can select to delete browsing data for the last 15 minutes, last 1 hour, last 24 hours, as well as all time data. So depending on how long you have been experiencing this, you can choose the most appropriate time frame. Then ensure you check on the options below and complete by clicking on delete data, and this will delete data for that period. Once you are done, now you'll need to restart your computer and see if BBC website is now up and running. However, if this did not fix your problem, then check and then see if you are using any VPN on your computer. This might be the cause for your issue. Turn off the VPN or uninstall it temporarily to see if this fixes your problem. This also applies if you have any recently installed security app on your computer, such as a new antivirus. You may want to pause it just to see if the website can be reached. So let me know which of the above was able to fix your issue. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.